Guys, welcome to the final construction update for Wildcat's Revenge. I can't believe we're riding it today. It feels unbelievable. I've heard nothing but great things, saying that this and Skyrush are now the two best rides in the park, and I can't wait. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
So currently, Wildcat's Revenge is about a 60-minute wait, which I honestly can't believe for opening day. Like, going in, I set my expectations that the line was going to be all the way down at Chick-fil-A, so already I'm pretty surprised. Oh boy, people, I can't believe I'm about to walk back under this again. Oh boy. Guys, people are coming back into the brake run, clapping and cheering for this thing. Like, yeah, this is definitely a good ride. And it just broke down. And it's back open. So close, guys. A year and a half of filming this has all led up to this. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys on the other side. Wow, guys, I will tell you, that is so good. The pre-lift section, the drop, back row, amazing. The underflip, the first airtime hill, that overbank turn literally throws you, and that one like throws you even more, like, and I'll tell you, that double down, that is so weird. It's like, but I love it. It's like it tries to give you airtime, but then it's also giving you like laterals, and the death roll, so good. Even slamming into the final brakes, just amazing. I'm getting back in line. One more thing, I actually couldn't believe that there was actually a soundtrack that's playing. Like that's something that they didn't have to do, but they did it anyway. And just like Iron Gwazi, there's like a sound effect that goes off like right as the train is dispatching. Again, they didn't have to do that, but they did it anyway. Like, I'm so excited, you can't tell. You know, I'll tell you guys, it's gonna be weird coming to Hershey Park and not, you know, wanting to go and film a construction update now. not wanting to go up on Hershey Gardens and not film it, but maybe a little bit here and there. Unfortunately, I was only able to get one ride on it, but because the park just closed. But that one ride is all I need to say I think it's in the top 2 in terms of this park's lineup. I think it's gotta be Skyrush in this. I think this is better than Storm Runner. It's better than Fahrenheit. You gotta come out and ride it if you haven't. Just honestly, I have it in my top 5. It's up there with Iron Gwazi, Velocicoaster, El Toro, Skyrush, and then I think Wildcat's Revenge. It's so good. But anyways, guys, I think that's going to do it from our final construction update. It's been such a pleasure getting to cover this and watching this coaster rise every day. You know, it's just been so fantastic. And I'm really sad it's coming to an end, but there's still more construction projects coming soon. You know, we got Dorney Park, new dive coaster, and we got other projects, and we still got the rest of a fun summer here at Hershey Park. So I'm looking so forward to it. This has been a blast covering this, and yeah, I'm gonna remember this for a long time. I've wanted this to come to Hershey Park for over 10 years, and watching it rise this past year has just been amazing. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.